Remember the thrill of classic mobile gaming? Snake, the game that came preloaded on those iconic Nokia phones, was a timeless favorite that we all played on our Momus phone. Let's recreate this iconic game in 3D using Unity Game Engine. So I first head to Blender to make a 3D model of the snake. But this doesn't look good.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
So I try one more time and I am able to get the shape of a basic snake face. Next, I model the body part for the snake, which will be added one by one to the snake in the game. The models are imported to Unity, and next I will have to make the snake move on my control. For that, a new scripted is attached to the snake. And I write a code, the snake, to be controlled by the player. And this is the result. A few fixes, and here the movement of the snake is in our control. Add a cube for the ground, and next, I adjust the camera to give a tilted top view for the player playing the game. Here's the result for everything done yet. Next, we need grass to fill this empty cube. So, yeah, I search for grass in Unity, and I find this here from this person on GitHub. You will find this link in the description. And the grass is brought to Unity, and this is where we have. Next is the body of the snake that has to be controlled with the face. So the code is that way, and here's our result. So no, the body refused to move with the controller. So now my job is to make the body move with this controller. So just some fixes, and we have this for now. Next are the apples for the snake to eat. So back to Blender to create an apple and introduce it into the game. Now we have to ask the snake to eat the apple. And here's the result. I spread all the apples randomly to test myself, and we have this. Some more additions, and now a body part is added when the snake eats an apple. Next, I add a scoring system for the game, so a score is added when the snake eats an apple. To make it more difficult, the snake's speed increases when it eats an apple. But this snake goes crazy. So, we get that into control. Next, we remove all the randomly placed apples and create a code to randomly place the apples in the game, each after being eaten by the snake.
Bazinga. 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 Bazinga.
And this is the result. Next in the game, the snake can teleport to the other side of the ground when it passes through the borders. So boxes are put on the borders that will be triggered when the snake passes through it. Now we give the walls a code where it will teleport the snake. So, giving this another try. And this is what we have. Okay, so no, this isn't working. So one more try, and now since this teleportation worked, I will duplicate it and spread it and surround the ground with the teleporting boxes and then disable the meshes. And this is what we have made so far. Next is the game over scene. Next, I add a game over text which will pop up when the snake dies, and a script for the game to stop when the snake head touches its body, resulting the game to stop. And this is our result. Now adding a reset button for the game to restart after the death. And this is what we have. Now just for a visual appeal, I give the apples a hovering animation. So this is the final gameplay of the recreated Snake game in 3D. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. And you can now enjoy the gameplay video from here.